Alright, myself Salam and I'm going to do a small presentation art at your table. Shall I start preparing? And this is a raspberry glaze made of raspberry puree, sugar and agar-agar. This agar-agar is a kind of vegetable starch extracted from the seaweed. And the second one is a white chocolate jasmine cream. It's made of jasmine tea leaves, infused in the milk overnight, and next morning mixed with a white chocolate, some vanilla bean, egg yolk. Very good flavor and taste. Third one is a passion fruit gel. A little is sour gel and very good flavor and taste. You have to smell it, it's very strong. And I'm going to place different kinds of condiments here. Yuzu pastel made of yuzu juice is a Japanese sweetness sauce like a lemon. Spice cookie stuffed with the chocolate cream and some sea salt on top. Homemade caramel chocolate wrapped in plastic, but don't eat the plastic. Pomegranate pastel made of pomegranate juice. Pastel is a French version. And this is pistachio meringue stiffly beaten egg white with sugar. Pistachio dusted on top, and raspberry leather stuffed with the raspberry yogurt and some basil crumble on top. So today somebody has a special day, so I'm going to write here on the board. Happy birthday!
Awesome.
There you go. Let's make a little more beautiful. I'll write my name too, so you guys can remember me too. Please forget. And this is a key lime sabli. It's a graham crackle cookie crumb, a mixture of flour, almond powder, and key lime zest. And this is finally a white chocolate dome. And now I'm going to break this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Wait. Oh, wow. This was the surprise inside. It's a layer of maple chocolate sponge, tiramisu cream, cocoa swirl, lemon preserve gel, oats milk cookie crumble, and a very delicious and yummy white chocolate raspberry truffle ice cream and sweet coffee cream. A very sweet and sweetest present from the steakhouse, Chef Salam. Everything is edible except the plastic. Only the plastic, and it's a 0 calorie dessert.
Awesome. Thank
Maybe
you.
I'm
Beautiful.
Like, thank you very much.
Thank you,
birthday,
sir.
and madam.
Her birthday. 88. Her birthday. 88.
I make this in more Thank you. I will place this in front of you.
Awesome. Thank you. Perfect.